You need a budget for 2025. In this video, I'll show you why you need a budget for 2025. Following this formula could be the difference between feeling trapped and finally feeling in control of your finances. Right now, many of us are living paycheck to paycheck with consumer debt hitting high records. If you're one of those who feels the weight of debt on their shoulders, or you're struggling to stay afloat, I get it. I've been there. It's frustrating to work so hard, yet you feel like you're getting nowhere financially. Here's the turning point I discovered with budgeting. Trust me, starting to budget was the key to transforming my finances, and it could do the same for you. My personal story and why budgeting is so essential. Hi, I'm MANJ. Not so long ago, I was struggling financially. I had over 22k of credit card debt. Each month brought a relentless cycle of anxiety. I constantly worried about paying bills and affording simple things like food. Checking my bank account was always a rush of anxiety. Late at night, I would lay awake stressing over how to cover my next credit card bill or even unexpected expenses like car repairs. The weight of it all made me question my worth. Would I ever escape this financial prison? I felt helpless and ashamed for letting my finances spiral out of control. The more I worried, the harder it became to take action. Here's the good news. Acknowledging those struggles is the first step towards change. Just as I learned to take control of my finances, many of you can too. It's a journey that I can help you navigate. I realized I didn't have control over my money because I didn't have a plan for it. That's where budgeting came in. I know, budgeting sounds dull, restrictive, and honestly like something we keep putting off. But trust me, it's the foundation you need to start building a better future. When you take the time to lay out and budget all your income and expenses, it can completely transform your approach to money management. You might discover that you have a negative disposable income, but this is where the real work begins. It prompts you to dive deeper into your spending habits and evaluate your outgoings. You'll start making informed decisions about your wants versus your needs. Benefits of budgeting. Here's what budgeting did for me and why I'm such a huge believer in it. First, it gave me back my peace of mind. Knowing exactly where every pound was going each month meant no more nasty surprises or guessing if I had enough to get by. Despite knowing I wouldn't have enough money to last me all month, I couldn't help but make them impulsive purchases to get that sense of happiness that would only last a few hours. When I started tracking my spending, I was shocked how much money was slipping away on things I really didn't need. Those daily meal deals, subscriptions, and impulsive buys might seem small, but they really add up fast. I realized my spending on wants was overshadowing my essential needs, such as food and bills, which is why my finances felt out of control. But the real magic of budgeting was how it empowered me to make intentional decisions. I could finally decide what was a priority for me and what wasn't. Slowly, those changes added up, and eventually, my mind adapted to this shift, making it a natural part of my routine. I began to see budgeting not as a restriction, but as a tool for empowerment, allowing me to take control of my finances and make choices that truly aligned with my goals. How to start your budget today. If you're still listening, it's clear you're ready to take steps to improve your financial situation. It's actually easier than you might believe, and you don't need fancy apps or advanced math skills to make it work. Let me help you navigate the first steps to take when you're ready to create a budget. Start with your income. Start by writing down everything you earn in a month, from your main job, your side hustles, and any other sources. This step is essential because it gives you a clear picture of your financial starting point. When you know exactly how much money is coming in, you can make informed decisions about your spending and saving. Documenting all your income helps you identify patterns and find opportunities for growth. It sets the foundation for your budget, allowing you to allocate your money wisely. List out all your expenses. Next, go through your bank statements and list every single expense that leaves your account. I know it can be daunting, but this step is crucial. Write down your mortgage, your rent, your bills such as your council tax, water, food and subscriptions, and even that Friday night takeaway. You'll start to see patterns. Trust me, I was blown away at how much I was spending on stuff that I didn't really need. Create spending categories. Next, it's time to categorize your expenses. Start by grouping them in 3 main categories. Basic needs. These are your essentials, including your housing costs, like your rent or your mortgage. Utilities, such as your electricity and water and food. These are non-negotiable items you need to survive. Debts and saving goals. This category includes any debt payments you need to make, like your credit card bills, student loans, or personal loans. Considering your saving goals, whether it's an emergency fund, retirement, or a future purchase. Wants. Finally, create a section for your wants spending, which includes things like entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. These are the expenses that could be adjusted if necessary. By organizing your expenses this way, you gain a clear picture of where your money's going. This method helps you identify areas where you can cut back or make adjustments, allowing you to take control of your financial life and not let your financial life control you. Financial tracking. This is the core of budgeting, setting realistic limits for each spending category. Once you've established those limits, it's important to track your spending regularly. For me, I review my budget every Sunday. This weekly check-in helps me stay accountable and see where I stand financially. If I notice that I've overspent on one category, I can adjust my spending for the rest of the month to stay on track. This proactive approach allows me to manage my finances more effectively and make necessary changes before it becomes a larger issue. The key is to regularly assess your spending so you can make necessary adjustments and effectively manage your finances. Busting common budget myths. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but MANJ, isn't budgeting restrictive? Won't it make me feel like I can't enjoy life? I used to think exactly the same thing. But here's the truth. A budget actually gives you freedom. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about creating a space for what truly matters to you. When I finally gained control over my spending, I noticed a significant decrease in my stress levels and a boost in my confidence. I could enjoy things guilt-free, like going out with my friends or treating myself because I knew it was a part of my plan. So there you have it. A simple plan to start your own financial journey. Budgeting changed my life and I believe it can change yours too. It helped me overcome debt, take control of my finances, and feel a sense of peace that I never thought was possible. If you're ready to start your journey towards financial security, there's no better time than right now. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. You learn and adapt as you go. Just take the first step and the rest will follow. If you decide to start your journey, I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback will show me that my channel is fulfilling its purpose and it will mean the world to me. Did you know that 95% of my viewers haven't yet subscribed? Subscribing is a small action that makes a huge difference in the growth of this channel. Allow me to continue providing you useful content to help you on your financial journey.